JD Cap 26 here, just do spares and hobbies. And I got the Keurig here. And this is the cheaper version. But you know what? It works good. You open it up like that. You lift this handle up here. And pull this out. And we're going to take this part apart. Okay. You twist it in half to the right. And it pulls out. And this basket comes off this part right here. So we took the top off, and this part has grounds in it. So you take it over to the sink, turn the water on, and you rinse it out. Get all the grounds out of it. So it's nice and clean. Okay. I think this is the most important part of it. Put it back in here, like that. Bring it over here. Sorry, you guys, I don't want to make you dizzy. And you put 2 teaspoons of coffee in here. So the coffee's in there already. And the most important part is putting this top on, locking it on. You see the front part? There's a notch there in the front. You want to have this part towards the front. So it's firmly locked on. And make sure the back is locked down too, because that can come out and you'll have grounds in your coffee. So let's put it in the machine. And there it is in the machine with the notch in the front. Let's put some water in it. There we go. Put that down. Put the cup underneath. Put this down. And see how it's flashing? Push that down like that. And we wait. What it's doing is sucking the water out of here, bringing it down and heating it up. There we go, it's starting to make coffee. I would say it takes about 2 to 3 minutes when you put that top of the lid down for it to make coffee. And this is really like a one-shot coffee maker. But it doesn't waste any coffee. That's what I like about it. You don't throw any coffee out. You just make what you need. And as it pees, we're waiting. And it's done. Coffee's made. So this is how you make a coffee with the Keurig. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a pleasant day, and I hope you stay safe. Thanks for watching.